Hello, today we are going to discuss about the planning and the safety. So here in this planning, like organization make plan to deal with the various attacks and the various threats and the safety measures taken for the employee health. So here in this we will learn about the various plan like incident response plan, disaster response plan, business continuity and the succession plan. Whereas we will also learn about the computer forensics and the safety measure taken by organization for the safety of their employees. So in this first we will discuss about the planning. So here the planning in an organization is done to protect the infrastructure from damages caused by the unexpected incidents or the natural disaster. Unexpected incidents like the loss of data due to the power failure or the natural disasters like earthquake or the flood. So the damages caused by such incidents the organization must make plan to deal with such damages caused by the incidences. So the planning is done by making documents or about how to limit the damage and how to recover from such damages. So the type of planning they make are incident response plan, disaster response plan, business continuity in case of the incidents occur, then the succession planning. So first of all, we'll discuss about the incident response plan. So here in incident response plan, the incidences occur within the organization and it is can be cured from within the organization. So incident response is an organized plan to address and manage the damage of the attack. So the goal is to handle the situation in such a way that limit the damages and also reduce the recovery time and the recovery cost. So an incident response plan provides a step-to-step process that should be followed by the IRP, that is incident response plan team, when an incident occurs. So here this incident response plan have the documents that cover the step-by-step plans to recover from such incidents which occur within the organization. The next is the disaster response plan. Here say disaster response plan includes set of procedures to recover and protect a business IT infrastructure in the event of disaster. So here if a disaster occur, then the organization must make plan to recover or to recover from such damages caused by the disaster. So the disaster could be natural, environmental or the man-made. So here in man-made disaster, it could be intentional or unintentional, and intentional attacks like terrorist attacks and the unintentional attack like this such as breakage of a man-made dams. So these are the disasters which are caused due to the intentional and the unintentional attack. So these plans provide security and also minimize the delay in the recovery. So here in disaster recovery plan, it creates the backup of the data which can be used in future if the disasters occur. The next is business continuity. So here in business continuity include the planning and preparations to ensure that an organization can be continue to operations in case of serious disaster and the incident. So here the business continuity includes that the operations or the services are continued if a disaster occur or any incidents occur. So here in business continuity planning, the remote sites are constructed to provide services and to continue operations of the organization. The type of secondary site constructed or the remote site constructed are like cold site, warm site and the host site. So in cold site, the cold site location consists of a building, facilities, desks and the parking, etc. But there is no computers or the workstations or the server. So this cold site must take a few days to bring it online or to make it activate. So the next is the warm site. So here the warm site, it contains the computer with the particular programming or the software and also include the functioning servers, but there is no internet connection or the network links. So this site will take 1 or 2 days to become the online or to become active. The next is hot site. So here the hot site, it includes all the building, the computers, servers, and it also add the links or the internet connection to the site. So it also include the recent backups data. So it means hot sites are the duplicate copy of the primary sites and it take few hours to bring it the online. So the next is succession planning. So here the succession planning is a process in which new leaders are identified and developed to replace the old leaders when they retire, leave or die. So here the succession planning is made to recruit the employee or to develop a employee to fill each key role in the company or to important roles in the company. So the main goal of this planning is to make business continue in the case most important person left its work or left the company. So these are the plannings which is made by the organization to deal with the disaster or the incidents. So next is the computer forensics. So here computer forensics, it is a process of collecting, analyzing and reporting on digital data in such a way that is presentable in a court of law, so that it can be present in the court. So it is used in detection and prevention of crimes or any dispute. So forensics is done in a steps like, first of all, there wherever is incidents occur, we have to secure that area by locking that area or by we have to secure that area first. So next is the documenting scene. So we have to document that scene by taking photos in smartphones or by taking the data in optical media or a hard disk. And or the best thing to document scene is to take picture of the to document the state of incident scene, and we have to present it in the court of law. The next, we have to collect the data and keep it in a secure place to present so that we can present that data in a court of law when required. So here the top computer forensic certifications are provided by the companies like CCE, that is Certified Computer Examiner Certification, and GIAC, that is Global in Frontier Assurance Certification. So these are the two companies which provide the GIAC is Global Information Assurance Certification. So these are the companies which provide the computers forensic certifications. So next is the safety measure which is taken by the organization to protect the employee physical health. So first of all, it takes the first step, it takes the secure installation of electrical equipment. So here in organization, the electrical equipment or the cable must be installed properly so that it doesn't cause a shock to the employee that are working there. Next, we have to install this safety such as hardware and the rack installation. So we have to check the hardware installation and the rack installation that it doesn't cause damage to the employee they are working in that area. Next, we have to make that the emergency procedures must be available to every employee in the organization, like such as the layout of building. They must know about the layout of the building, also know about the fire exit plan. There have to exist if fire occurs, and the emergency alert system, etc. So these safety measures must be taken by every organization to protect their employee physical health. So this is all about planning and safety. Thank you.